When we talk about chemistry, chemistry is again based on theory and practical based or daily life examples. So theory and replacement to practicals, there are some daily life examples. Theory or facts are described here, and daily life examples are incorporated to understand the concept. So you need to go through the lesson first. After the lesson, you need to go further for further studies and further details of the topic, which for which you can use your textbook, you can use your reference books or any supporting materials. Then you are going to find out that what is your self-study task. When your self-study tasks are not completed, you are not able to completely understand that concept which is mentioned in the lesson. So the major idea, the major concept is described here in the lesson, for which you need to further elaboration is required, because you are going to find out the further details related, and this self-study task will make you able to apply that concept, the concepts which you have learned, okay, which you have known. Now chemistry is actually dependent upon, this is again a branch of science, so you need to know through the lesson, you need to find out the details, okay, go towards the details and elaborate your concept, and after that you need to apply. Whenever we talk about science, science is always application of knowledge. Science means to know, and science is always dependent upon the application. If you know the concept and you know how to apply, and are you if you are successful in application of those concepts, it means you are successfully understanding the subject and the topic. Okay. What about biology? In biology, we can find out that there are so many concepts related to biology. Biology is natural science, and biology is the study of life. So in biology, first we need to find out that what are the theory aspects, most of the theory aspects, and we can relate it to the practical knowledge, which is very easy, and we can get it from our surroundings. Okay, so theory, facts, and figures are always there to guide you. So in biology, when you are getting the lesson will give you the main idea or concept. Okay, you are going to elaborate and study further about the same concept, get further knowledge, and do self-study task, which is actually necessary for the application of your knowledge. It is the application of your knowledge with that what have you learned. Okay, so it is really very important to know how can we answer different questions in different subjects. Like, for example, what are the question terminologies? What are the requirements of a question against the given marks? What kind of time duration are we provided with? All these details are actually necessary to know for a student before appearing in an examination. So whenever you are going to appear in an examination, you have to know about the things which are really important before appearing in an examination. Always know what are the question types for the particular subject, for the particular area of study. Question types. Okay, second thing you must know about the examination: time duration, because you must be time bound. If you are not time bound, if you are not able to answer the question and to justify the question with your answer within a given time limit, you are unable to solve the whole question sheet which is mentioned as per the conditions. And the third thing which you must know is how to check your examination paper answer sheet before handing it over to your invigilator. Okay, so it is really very important what different question types are going to appear in your examination, and what kind of time duration is given, and the marks distribution in your examination. Because for marks distribution, you need to mention the exact answer. Like, for example, if it is mentioned that write 3 lines against this, like 3 sentences about biotechnology, so you need to mention only the 3 main concepts or 3 main ideas about biotechnology. Similarly, you need to find out the time duration. Like, for example, if there are MCQs, for MCQs, you are given with 1 minute in average for a single question to be solved. Similarly, there are so many question types. In question types, like for example, in MCQs, in short answer questions, long answer questions, if there are some questions which are longer, then they will be with description, with elaboration, with illustration, with diagrammatic representations, and so on. Marks distribution is already explained. For example, if there is an MCQ, it will be containing 1 mark. Okay. And if it is a short answer question, it may be 3 to 4 marks for a single question to be answered. And long answer questions may be 5 to 7 marks generally in science. Okay. It depends which board and which examination are you going to appear in. Thank you.